trying to find our way to a place called Sant Elm, and we're doing it quite late in the day. We got a bit carried away, one reason or another, so now it's about 6 o'clock in the evening and the sunset is not far away. Things flying around in the bus as well, so let's see how we do.
What are you cooking, Sonny?
It's effectively spaghetti bolognese, but we've substituted the spaghetti with a different pasta called tuberon, and it's like a little sort of shell-shaped cup type thing instead of a long strand. So this is beef mince. Oh, you're not recording.
No.
This is just chopped tomatoes. This is like a concentrated tomato juice.
We're going to close the doors because here is very windy. Okay. Well, we need to put some more magnets on these curtains.
Yeah, definitely. Well.
start eating. I'm starving.
Cup of wine with dinner.
What did you say?
As they say in Spain, buen provecho. Or here in Mallorca, bon profit.
We're ready to go to bed with our pajamas. So, well,
Jogging bottoms and t-shirts, although it's really warm.
yeah. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, hopefully we can show you a little bit more of Sant Elm tomorrow when there's actually daylight.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really bright outside now because it's a full moon, but yeah, I don't know if it's going to pick up much on the camera, so
No, nothing.
we're going to get an early night and yeah, get up early in the morning and get on out and do some more. So we should be able to show you a little bit more
Oh, I'm super tired.
of what's out there. Yeah, it's quite a mission this evening, wasn't it? Getting to here and getting set up and cooked and doing everything in the dark. But it's quite. We've had a little scout about in the dark, and it's going to be quite nice in the morning.
Yeah. So we did. No, so we're going to cut that.
Yeah, definitely cut that bit out. Okay.
All right. See you in the morning.
Yeah. Night,
Yeah.
guys. See you later. Morning. There we are. Uneventful night. Yeah, I don't know what the time is, but it's morning.
I think it's 7 o'clock.
Time to get up.
Yeah, it's time to get up. Oh, but it's wet.
Condensation. But mind you, look at that view. Look at the moon.
Well, you can't see anything on that.
Look at that. The moon is still up, and it's. You can see that there.
No, you can't see anything.
Wow, that's quite special.
Should we open that?
Yeah, I think so. You really can't see the moon in the camera, I don't think, but in real life, it's quite special. That island there is Dragonera. So we've got, well, morning first of all. We have Boriana doing the honours, putting the van back from from bed mode into just normal seats and table and stuff. So here she is.
Oh, look, blood.
Oh, you just cut yourself?
Oh, I don't know what's that. From where is it? Is it from my face?
Not from your face, no.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi everyone, welcome to Camper Fandango. I'm Ben,
I'm Boriana.
and in this episode we're here in a place called Sant Elm, yeah. And it was a late night start for us yesterday, kind of thing. Well, dark, but we sat up here in the dark, cooked, ate, slept, and woke up to this beautiful view. That's the island of Dragonera. Yeah, it's probably about 7:30 in the morning now. We're going to move on out, go into the village, the town, whatever it is of Sant Elm, and get ourselves a drink, a cup of coffee, cup of tea, whatever, and carry on. So we'll see you there. So here we are, masks on and everything. We've just parked up in Sant Elm, not next to the not in the car park, but next to it, because that's got a chain across the entrance. We can't go in it. Say hi, honey.
I'm trying to work out how the camera